This one.
When you see the fox,
You're banging on about good. This is the one. You've got. I wonder if that's my tiny.
I've seen this one.
Medium strong tea.
But that's one thing we could have a combination.
Because it's really standard between rose and the fragrance strong old rose.
And rose for 6 feet.
And it was called Desdemona.
House Kingdom.
I'm pretty sure that's mine. I take a picture on when it's beautiful.
This was it, isn't it?
Yeah, it's all the way around.
So that would probably be one I would recommend. That will strike flower as your Madeleine will carry it, but they get so big. And those big roses, if you keep putting them back, because they want to be so big, you reduce your flowering. But something like Kew Gardens, which will happily stay at 4.5, 5 feet, spread the stems out, very few thorns and a lot of flowers over a long period. I've just been to see the National Collection of Rambling Roses at Bogle's house, and they had this growing as a climber all the way across the wall, and it flowers really, really well. So don't be worried that it says shrub, just buy it like that and just bend the main stem. Yeah, yes, exactly. Well,